story, and something will happen. So, when I was in middle school, I started to have a lot of trouble digesting my food. And in school, I would have to leave class to take a shit. And in the class, in the bathroom, I would do this a lot. And I was, oh my God, everyone's gonna know. I'm doing this natural thing and I'm supposed to keep it together. The bathroom is hidden away. And then I started to notice that sometimes I would run into this person who looked a lot like me, also shamefully using the toilet in class. Like my doppelganger. And it didn't provide, oh, I'm not the only one. No, it was worse. There's another one. Because it's related, it's because this particular story is related to toilet, to cleanliness, to potty training, to parental evaluation of your worth and your value. Do you hide your shit properly? Can you go into the boardroom and not look shitty? Can you make it through the meeting without having to go to the bathroom? It's all tied up with, what's the word I'm looking for? With dirt. With something that needs to go into the pipes immediately and get the hell out of here. So today, we'll do Dirty Boy.
Or I choose the stigma.
You could, yeah, okay, you could choose. There we go.
Where do you want it?
My intestines.
You on the grid? So mine is quite quicker. So from the poop to the anus to anal, and my story is more like reverse stigma. And I will ask anyone who wants to tell a story to come and just write something about like fag or whatever you want. For example, on my back. What's up? You name it.
All right. I name it like I say it out loud.
Yeah.
It's sodometer.
Your turn.
Oh shit. Huh. I will freeze. Maybe something about...
It doesn't have to be about guilt, and you doesn't have to cross boundaries, right?
What?
Right. It doesn't have to be about bills.
It doesn't have to be naked.
It doesn't have to be
Oh yeah, well I hope so.
And it doesn't have to continue.
18, my father told me that he used to be an alcoholic. Can you please write it down on my back?
You write what on your back?
Alcoholic.
Just alcoholic?
What's important to mention is that he said that he used to be an alcoholic. As you know, addiction never passes.
So maybe when I was in middle school, I was a bit chubbier, bigger than I am now. And I remember that on like the physical classes, right, we have this exercise we had to jump over the, it's in Polish called kozioł. I don't know if it's like how it's in English, but we have to like jump on this box, like over the box. And I was afraid to do that because I thought that because I'm like a little bigger and a little chubbier, I cannot do that. And I remember like all the boys from my class was laugh at me that I cannot do that because I'm fat. Okay, so that's my trauma from like middle school. So if someone wants, you can write on me something about that. My belly will be a good thing for that.
But this is the place of freedom. We have to see that.
But also, like, I think it's not
Right, hot child or something. H i l d CH.